I'm leaving Coppermine Bottom, and I'm gonna go check out a couple campsites, and then I'm going to Ruby Beach. This is a nice spot here. This is the Upper Clearwater Campground. This site's right here on the river. Somebody left some firewood here. This is just site one, the first site that I saw, and I'm gonna go down here and walk around and check out the rest of the campground. This is site number 2. It's they have like a shoulder like they did over at Coppermine Bottom. This one's got a bunch of firewood left in it too. And then this looks like a path that goes either to the river or over to another campsite. Yeah, it goes to this campsite, and it's a riverfront site too. I just entered the Hoh Rainforest and I'm on the Hall of Mosses trail. And this is some of the oldest trees out here. So let's go check some more of that out. I'm at the mini Peterson campground, and this is campsite number 1. This tree fell down, and they split up all this wood and stacked it here. So I got a ton of firewood here. I'm gonna get a fire started. I'm camped over in 3, I think. This is 1, and then 2. 2 is right here. It's a bike-in site, and then I'm right next to this campsite in 3. right now I'm leaving, heading back, and I'm gonna go look for a campsite. I found a spot to camp. I'm here at Bear Creek Campground on the Duc River. It's right off of 101. Here's my spot. Got these cool trees behind here. I can kind of hear the highway noise over there. It is kind of right off the highway. But I'm just here for one night. Road. I'm going up the Hurricane Ridge where the visitor center used to be. I guess it burned down, so I want to see what's up there, and there's probably still some good views and stuff, so let's go check that out. There's still some snow up here, a little bit. I'm at 5,000 feet now. I got about a mile before I get to the summit. Oh man, look at the mountains over there. If that don't show up on the camera, I have to stop and get that. There's mountains all everywhere here with snow on them. Right when I come around that corner. There's some pull-offs on the other side. Maybe I'll stop on the way down and get a better shot of those. Oh, that's cool. Look at the fog. So here's the parking lot. I'll find a place to park and get out and show the area up here.